Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yentan. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has said that the government has increased the financial support from 9 crore to 70 crore rupees to ensure opening of more Ayush colleges across the country. He said there are only a few Ayush colleges in the northeast and the Indian traditional medicine systems can only be popularized by making available more qualified practitioners. Sonowal was addressing a conference on diverse and fulfilling career paths in Ayush systems, education, entrepreneurship, and employment focus on the northeastern states at Government Ayurvedic College and Hospital in Guwahati on Saturday. Union Minister of State Independent Charge, Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, yesterday emphatically said that the era of working in silos is over. He stressed the need for integrated theme-based projects instead of a particular ministry-based or department-based projects. In an exclusive media interview about his vision for the Ministry of Science and Technology, which he took over 2 months back, the minister informed that he has started holding regular joint meetings of all the science ministries as well as departments, and before the end of this month, he will also hold a joint meeting of the Ministers of Science and Technology from all the states and union territories. The union minister said this integrated approach will be further extended to include startups, industry, and other stakeholders. Supporting Dimapur Chamber of Commerce and Industry, DCCI's call for a total shutdown of all shops and business establishments on 16 September. Nagaland Medicine Dealers Association (NMDA) has also announced closure of all pharmacies and medical business establishments in Dimapur on 16 September. The shutdown is in protest against the state government's alleged inaction against multiple and illegal taxation by various groups. NMDA, in a press release, further warned that it would be compelled to take its own course of action by shutting down all its outlets indefinitely if the government did not take appropriate action. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has said that India, with the help of the scientific and medical fraternity, had handled the COVID-19 pandemic in the best way possible, better than developed nations. He said the nation was proud to salute the medical fraternity for doing an exemplary job in serving the countrymen and also the scientific community for developing the Indian vaccine. The Vice President appealed to every citizen to get vaccinated as soon as possible as the third wave is expected. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya has congratulated Himachal Pradesh, Datra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu, Goa, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, and Sikkim for administering the first COVID-19 vaccine dose to 100% of the adult population. Mandaviya appreciated the health workers in these regions for their diligence and commitment. Meanwhile, the country has crossed yet another milestone in the COVID vaccination drive, with the total vaccination crossing the 74 crore mark yesterday, while Nagaland has administered a total of 9,27,350 doses of COVID-19 vaccines so far. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test under undergraduate NEET UG 2021 for admission in undergraduate medical courses was held yesterday across the country following COVID-19 protocols. The examination was conducted between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Candidates were provided N95 masks and sanitizer sachets at test centers, and they also underwent temperature check. National Testing Agency conducted the exam at different centers located in 202 cities throughout the country and abroad. Bhupendra Rajnikant Patel will be the next Chief Minister of Gujarat. Outgoing Chief Minister Vijay Rupani proposed the name of Bhupendra Patel in the Legislative Party meeting, which was unanimously accepted. BJP's Central Observer Narendra Singh Tomar has officially declared Patel, MLA from Kadlodia seat of Ahmedabad, as the new leader of the BJP Legislature Party. State BJP President C.R. Patil told media persons that a swearing-in ceremony of the new Chief Minister will be held today. However, the swearing-in of the Council of Ministers is likely to be held later on. The new Council of Ministers will be declared in a couple of days after consultation with the party organization. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these three simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800 345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.